G'day, Steve here, Woodworking Masterclass with a very quick hack on how to see if your square's square. Got asked the other day, is there a way I can check my square? And yes, there is. You can get a square and you can hold it up against your square and you can hold it up to the light and that'll check the internal. You can put it there like that and check that, but a far easier way, grab a bit of scrap that you know has a straight edge, put your square against it, get a pencil, scribe a line down there, turn the square over, line it up with that line and draw another line. If both of those lines are in the same place, your square's square. If they deviate a little bit, they're out of square. Now with some squares, there's not much you can do. I do have some squares here which are Colin Clinton squares that he makes, and they've got adjusters on there. Some of the big stair squares you can actually adjust by punching. Have I got a square here? Yep. If, for example, you're using a stair square, which is one of these, and you did it, and you found that it was out, if it's out that way, in other words, it's been spread that way, you get a centre punch and you punch the outside corner, and that will bring that square in. Likewise, if the square is a little bit under 90 degrees, you get a centre punch and punch it right. In fact, you can see where I've adjusted this one. Punch it there, and that will bring it out. So on those, a centre punch can bring you back into square. On one of these, you've got adjustments there. And sadly on these, the only thing you can really do would be to file it or get it machined or ground square again. So anyway, I hope that helps. Quick little hack, how to make sure your square's square. And if your square's a square, that means your work's going to be square and everything's going to be wonderful. So thank you. Just a quick one. This is Steve saying, remember to keep it sharp, but more importantly, keep it safe. And I look forward to having you back in the workshop again very soon with more tips, more projects, more ideas. And I hope you can catch me on a live stream one of these days on YouTube as well. Bye for now.